Struggling to add a list of your WordPress pages in Elementor? Learn the exact clicks to add and customize a Pages widget in under 2 minutes. We'll open the page editor, insert the Pages widget, configure its display options, and update your page to see it live. Open Home. Click the highlighted area. Click the highlight again. In the left panel, click WordPress. Click Pages to add the widget. Click Title to set the display. Click Sort By to order pages. Click Exclude to remove pages. Click Update Changes to save. Click Advanced for more controls. Click Layout to open options. Click Layout again. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.